by disrobing her in front of all the elders like Bhishma Pitamaha, Acharya Drona, Kripacharya, and Duryodhan's father Dhritarashtra, who was the king of Hastinapur and very well present over there. So, how can we say that Duryodhan was a good person and deserved to be the king of Hastinapur? In today's world, it is said that girls are not safe outside the house. But Draupadi was insulted and humiliated in front of her own people, and it was only and only Sri Krishna who saved her from being disrobed. Sri Krishna is always present where there is dharma, and he destroys all the people who are unrighteous. In our house, we don't tolerate any nonsense by a domestic help. So, how can we think that Sri Krishna, who is the absolute controller of the three worlds, will tolerate adharma and the people who support the doer of adharma? It is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam, which means Krishna is omnipresent, वो हर जगह उपस्थित रहते हैं, omnipotent, वो सर्वशक्तिमान है, and omniscient, वो हर चीज के ज्ञाता और दृष्टा हैं. Who can be more merciful and lovable than Krishna? कृष्णा ने सिर्फ द्रौपदी की ही लाज नहीं बचाई, बल्कि ये कहिए कि किसकी लाज नहीं बचाई. रुक्मिणी को शिशुपाल के चंगुल से बचाया, देवकी मैया की पुत्र रूप में पाने की इच्छा पूरी की, यशोदा के वात्सल्य भाव को पूरा किया, सभी वृंदावन वासियों को इंद्र के क्रोध से गोवर्धन पर्वत उठाकर रक्षा किया, और 16,000 लड़कियों को मुर नामक राक्षस से सिर्फ बचाया ही नहीं, बल्कि उनसे विवाह करके उन्हें द्वारका की रानी बनाकर सभी स्त्रियों को सम्मान दिया. श्री कृष्ण ने मीराबाई की रक्षा की. श्री कृष्ण ने सुदामा को प्रेम से गले लगाकर सब कुछ दे दिया. श्री कृष्ण के लिए सब संभव है. वे सब बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अधर्म नहीं बर्दाश्त कर सकते. वे अपने भक्तों के कष्टों को दूर करने के लिए हमेशा आते हैं. अब इस श्लोक में अर्जुन, जो कि एक गृहस्थ है और उनका अपने परिवार और स्वजनों से लगाव गलत नहीं है. According to Vedas, the institution of Grihasth Ashram was designed to make people more dutiful and responsible. So Arjun's attachment is quite justified, but giving more importance to family and relatives and less importance to Krishna is not correct. This is the main cause of our sorrow. It's the same with all of us. When we give more priority to worldly things and people and less to Krishna, then we invite problems in our life. Like before gambling, Yudhishthir did not consult with Sri Krishna, and as a result, he had to face so many problems and lost everything. क्या हम सोच सकते हैं कि युधिष्ठिर ने क्यों नहीं श्री कृष्ण से कुछ भी पूछा था जुआ खेलने से पहले? क्योंकि युधिष्ठिर को बहुत अच्छी तरह मालूम था कि जो वो करने जा रहा है वो गलत है, इसलिए वो श्री कृष्ण से छुप करके कर रहा था ये कार्य. Staying in Grihasth Ashram and performing all the worldly duties and having Krishna as the center of life makes a person more responsible and disciplined. Arjun is so kind-hearted that he tells Krishna that even the attraction of the three worlds cannot compel him to fight and kill his own people and relatives, leave alone the attraction of the world and the worldly possessions. Arjun tells Krishna that a person does everything for his family and relatives. And when the family is all ready to sacrifice all the things and life in the battlefield, then he does not want to fight with them under any circumstances. He addresses Krishna as Madhusudan and not Krishna. He says, "You are Madhusudan and not Yashoda Sudan or Nand Sudan." Madhu was a demon and he was your enemy. मधु एक राक्षस था और वो आपका शत्रु था, तो आपके लिए उसको मारना कठिन नहीं था। मैं अपने परिवारजनों को किसी भी कीमत पे नहीं मारूंगा। अर्जुन सेज, एतान हंतुम इच्छामि। कृष्णा, you may induce me, but I am not going to kill them. Etan hantum, to kill my people, I am not willing. Then the question arises that it is a fight. If you do not kill, if you stand still, then they will kill you. Then what will you do? Arjun says, yes, I agree. Ganato api. Even if they kill me, I will not fight. I will not kill them. But if they kill me, that is also agreed. Still, I will not kill. Just see how determined is Arjun. This is known as Dehatma Buddhi. It means getting guided by the bodily concept of life. Since Arjun is playing the role of a person who is completely illusioned by the bodily concept of life. In Bhagavatam, it is mentioned that our existence has two parts, gross and subtle. Our physical body is the combination of 5 elements, that is air, water, earth, sky and fire, which is the external energy of Krishna, which we say as gross body. And our mind, ego and intelligence is the subtle body. Our gross body works with the instructions of the subtle body, and the subtle body works with the instructions of our soul, which is the part and parcel of Krishna. In Bhagavatam, a very beautiful explanation is given about the relationship of the living entity with Krishna. On a branch of a tree, 2 birds are sitting. One bird is busy eating the fruits, whereas the second bird is only watching the first bird. This first bird is the living entity, that is all of us, and the second bird is Krishna. And Krishna is always with us and is always watching us and our each and every thought and action. हमारा शरीर देह है और इस शरीर को चलाने वाला देही हमारी आत्मा है, जो कि श्री कृष्ण का अंश है। अर्जुन इस देह से संबंधित लोगों के मोह में फंसकर अपने कर्तव्यों से विमुख हो रहा है। वह अपने सगे संबंधियों को मारने के ख्याल से भी विचलित हो रहा है और वह सब कुछ छोड़कर चला जाना चाहता है। वह कृष्ण को गोविंद कहकर संबोधित कर रहा है। गोविंद नाम के 2 अर्थ हैं। एक तो गौ माता को आनंद देने वाले और दूसरा समस्त इंद्रियों को आनंद देने वाले। अर्जुन ने जानबूझकर श्री कृष्ण को गोविंद कहकर संबोधित किया, क्योंकि वे संकेत करना चाहते हैं कि श्री कृष्ण तो सबकी इंद्रियों को तुष्ट करते हैं, तो अर्जुन की इंद्रियां अपनों को मारकर कैसे तुष्ट होंगी। परंतु अर्जुन से भूल गया कि जब श्री कृष्ण को संतुष्ट करेगा तभी वह भी संतुष्ट होगा। टुडे आई एंड माई श्लोक हियर and let's wait and watch how Krishna helps Arjun to come out of his illusion and sorrow. I thank everyone for encouraging me with such inspiring comments. I wish to get more blessings and support from everyone. Please do share these shloks with others, as it's the highest form of love and kindness towards everyone. If you haven't subscribed my channel as yet, then please do subscribe and like. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. निताय गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल। जय जय प्रभुपाद, 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 प्रभुपाद। जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णवों की जय। हरि हरि बोल।